Up next, Cockpit and Gunwell PE for the Millennium Falcon from Greenstrawberry. Hey everybody, it's Kenny Conklin from SciFiAntasy.com and welcome to another Sprue Hub unboxing. Today we're going to take a look at the third pack in the fruit pack from Greenstrawberry for the Millennium Falcon from Bandai, 1/72nd scale, perfect grade. Got that all out. So the next package is the Cockpit and Gunwell's PE. Obviously, it's right in the name. We're going to see what we got going on for the cockpit and stuff like that. This way, we'll see if it's good or not. But as always, let's thank Lucas and Greenstrawberry for sending this stuff over so we can check it out and we can show it to you. If you haven't been over there yet, please go to greenstrawberry.cz, which is right over here. Go check out what they have. They got Star Wars, Star Trek, Battlestar Galactica, their own figures, stuff for dioramas, bases, and a whole bunch of good stuff. So go check them out and see what's going on. And also, Sprue Hub, Saturday night, we're going to be going live between 7 and 8 o'clock, looking for your input on that. So if there's a good time for everybody, we're going to try that. If not, I may split the difference and just start at 7:30 and go that way and get as many people as we can. So enough rambling out of me. Let's get over to the bench and check out the kit. So we're going to start off, as we always do, with the packaging, the clear cellophane wrapper that's resealable, hard cardboard backing to keep our PE straight, this way it doesn't bend during shipping, and that's pretty much it. Let's open this bad boy up and see what we got inside. So the kit comes with three things: the instruction sheet, a sticker, and the PE sheet. We're going to start off with the instructions as we always do. The top is your key to show you what comes in the kit, the sticker and the PE sheet. The key to show you exactly what the callouts are in the instructions, and then it starts off with controls for the control panel, obviously. Some stuff for the top of the cockpit with more control handles, the back wall with the door, ribbing for the seats, shows you about the sticker. This, I'm not quite sure where that goes. I'd have to have the kit on hand just to see. Some more controls over here for under the seat, down on the flooring. So there's going to be a lot of stuff in this kit. More stuff for the fighter chair, a little ring and a little ladder going down to the weapons bay, and more detail for the little port that goes down to the weapons system, and a couple more small pieces over here. So let's check out the other stuff that's in the kit. So here's the little sticker that comes in the kit. If you don't want to paint up the back panel, you could just peel this sticker off, put it on, but you should cut it first. Cut out the little center there and around the edges and then slap it on there. It makes it easy if you don't want to paint that up. And it looks pretty decent. Hopefully once it's on there, it doesn't come off. That's the only thing I ever worry about with stickers. With heat and cold, they get brittle and they peel up. So it's your choice though if you want to throw a sticker on there or paint. Now let's take a look at that PE set. So this is the last sheet of PE in the fruit pack. Like I said, this is the Gunwell's and the Cockpit. As you can see, we all know that's the backing of the cockpit there. It already has a whole bunch of little holes in there. If you're going to light it up, it makes it easier for you to light it. The ribbing for around the doorway over here that we saw with the padding. You have a whole bunch of little handles over here. This sheet is a lot of little stuff because it's for the cockpit. You have the ribbing for the seats back there, the ladder going down the tube to the guns. There's more controls over here. This was the stuff that I wasn't sure about. I really got to see the kit to know what that's for. The circles going down the gun tube, the handles for the cannons down in the gun well, more parts to the chair. So there's a lot of extra detail in here that you can put on, but there's also a lot of small parts on here. These are tiny, so when you're cutting them off, got to be careful. Make sure you're on a hard surface, put your hand over it or something, clip it off, and get it out of there. You don't want to lose the pieces. But overall, again, with this, there's a lot of nice detail in here, especially with the fine holes cut in here so you can light it up and you don't have to do that. Nothing is skewed, everything is perfect, so you don't have to worry about that if you're going to order this kit. So that's it for this part of the unboxing. That's all three sets in the fruit pack. So if you do get it, get it in the fruit pack. You'll actually save yourself a little bit of money, and there's a lot of detail. You don't have to use it all, but there is a lot of detail in these things. Again, this is a more advanced PE set, so if you're going to just jump into PE, I wouldn't jump into it with a set like this. Make sure you get yourself a smaller set. This way you can learn how to bend and put the things onto the kit you're using. You don't want to spend almost 70 bucks on a set and you break something and you got to order another set. Practice first before we make mistakes. We all make mistakes. I make a ton of them because I suck, but I make a ton of freaking mistakes and just do what I got to do. I don't want you guys to have to buy more stuff. Just practice, practice, practice. Again, thank you to Lucas for sending the stuff over, and if you haven't yet, please visit greenstrawberry.cz to check out everything they have, and there's more and more stuff coming out. We have one more set to do, and that's for the lighting underneath the ship, and then we're going to be off to the USS Franklin and one more canopy video. So we got 3 more videos to do, and hopefully we see you all on the live show. I actually may do the Franklin review live. This way we can check that out, make a video or live. We'll be doing one of the two. So thanks again, everybody, for stopping by. And if you want to, please share the heck out of these videos. This way everybody can check them out. Take care, everybody. Bye-bye.